Alright, YouTube, what's up? I seem to have been getting a few questions about my air compressors lately. Mostly about this one, the Yong Heng, and about the Vever. Kind of little crazy questions like, how long did it last? Do you think it was a good compressor? Well, you guys can look at the dates to see when I got these, because I think I opened all of my compressors except for maybe the heel, because the heel was a replacement. But I think I opened them all, did an unboxing all live. So anyway, as far as do they still run, all three still run. This one I'm gonna go ahead and show you. It's the one I use most, and it's the one I use most because it's the quietest of the three. So anyway, got my 3-liter bottle here, and it's right at 3,000 psi. If you can see it, there you go, 3,000 psi. Now I'm not gonna fill this up to 3,500 psi or 4,500 psi. What I'm gonna do is I am going to run this compressor for a little bit, post this video, and then go get the Vever and run it for you and let you guys see that they both still work. Now this is a little bit of a pain because I'm remodeling, not remodeling, but I'm doing a lot of renovation to the house, and man, it's kind of a junk meister right now. So let me show you. I got shit everywhere. Most people say don't do that, but you can see I am renovating, so a lot of tear out. Come on, Daz. All right, now excuse me if I get my fingers in the way. We'll get this started. Get the pump going, and we'll go ahead and close the valve. Now it's already closed. All right. Bounce on 3,000 and then start just running around that feeling. Okay, and that's what it did. I'm just letting it run a while so you guys can see that it's holding pressure. It is pumping. You see the temperature climbing. So I just wanted to make something. I think some of the guys were beginning to think, because I haven't posted in a while, the compressors gave out on me or whatever. Well, the compressors didn't give out. They're still going, still chugging. Probably let that run up to about 50 Celsius, and then I'll turn it off, just to let you guys see, you know, that it's still doing what it's supposed to do. 9,000. I did let some air out of the bottle so I can make the video. Alright, we're getting pretty close, guys. Alright, so it's at 50. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this out. Just wanted you guys to know, hey, when I tell you that they're still working, they're still working. It's not just words coming out of my mouth. So this is the first video. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one uploaded to YouTube, and then I'll switch compressors and let you guys see the Yong Heng, not the Yong Heng, but the Vever do its thing. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay safe. Shoot straight.